Honestly, both. I mean, you obviously want to invest in the right area, and then, at the end of the day, if the numbers work, you do your due diligence, and you map out, your purchase price, your repair budget, and your exit strategy. It all combines into whether it works or not.
We look for a combination of things. We love a great market. We also love a very strong borrower and a great loan to value. So if they're lacking one or the other, we can look at the compensating factors. We are able to be pretty creative with our financing. So if somebody has like a lower credit score due to usage, we can still help them out if it's in a strong market and a strong loan to value. They have good experience. So we're really looking at it from a holistic standpoint. And we're able to work with people based off their compensating factors is what we call it.
The perfect asset, yeah, the perfect property. Anything else, and you could be rich, but if you're trying to buy like a really crappy property and there's nothing for it, then you can just waste your money on it if you want.
Ultimately, I think it's perfect property. The right financial structure obviously has to make sense, but with the right property, it makes the project that much easier. It's easy to execute on. You can realize the upside, and it makes it easier to sell. Ultimately, that's not the case. Even with a perfect financial structure, it can still be a little tight. Perfect property is going to take you further.
I don't know if you could ever get a perfect property. There's always going to be something. I definitely would say the right financial structure, depending on the investment opportunity, is going to be key.
I would say I've heard, just talking to investors on a day-to-day basis, location is key, but I do think the right financial structure is more important, because the location can be great, but the deal might not make sense. Location might not be the best, but the deal might be a slam dunk. So I think leaning towards the financial structure is what I would do if I was investing. That's, down the line, that's probably what I'll do. But, location's definitely a factor. I think the financial structure is more, though.